Sparklines are a special type of line chart, minimalist type of line chart that can be placed directly into a cell in Excel. Contains no axis, they display only the line for the data and takes up very little space, and they can be effectively used to provide information on overall trends for time series data. To create a sparkline in Excel, follow the following step. Step 1, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2, click Line in the Sparklines group. Step 3, when the Create Sparklines dialog box opens, enter B3 to B14 in the data range. Enter B15 in the location range. Click OK. Step 4, copy cell B15 to cell C15. The spark lines in cells B15 and C15 do not indicate the magnitude of sales in the north and south regions, but they do show the overall trend for this data. Sales in the north appear to be decreasing in recent time, and sales in the south appear to be increasing overall. Because spark lines are input directly into the cell in Excel, we can also type text directly into the same cell that will then be overlaid on the spark line. Or we can add shading to the cell, which will appear as the background. In figure 3.17, we have shaded cells 3.22, we have shaded cells B15 and C15 to highlight the spark lines. As can be seen, Sparklines provide an efficient and simple way to display basic information about the time series.